Hey girlfriends, I know it has been a minute since I've done a video, but if you want to see what I got in my Stitch Fix today and see if it's time to get off of the Stitch Fix struggle bus, keep watching. Hi, my name is Andrea and this is my YouTube channel, Dress Like You Mean It, where I do unboxings and try-ons and shopping hauls and that kind of thing. If you like that kind of stuff, I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button, and I do appreciate that you're taking time out of your day to spend time watching me unbox my Stitch Fix box. Just a quick update, I did my last video, I think it was July, and at that time I took on a full-time job and I had a side gig that had been my previous full-time job. I had a blog. And I recently sold that and decided I was spending too much time playing Candy Crush and it was time to find a different hobby. So I thought, why not go back to doing my YouTube unboxings? So today I have a Stitch Fix. And this is like the third Stitch Fix I've gotten in like as many weeks, because the last two I sent everything back. Been really frustrated with Stitch Fix, feel like they were not reading my notes, not paying any attention. An example is, my last box, they sent a pair of white roll cuff shorts, which were really cute actually, but then I looked in my closet and I had a pair of white roll cuff shorts already, and I said that in my feedback. So in my preview for this box, they had in there not one, but two pairs of white roll cuff shorts. So anyway, the preview, I did manage to find 5 things that I wanted them to send me. And in Stitch Fix, I'm gonna guess that you know all about Stitch Fix because there are so many Stitch Fix unboxing videos, but here's my oh hello note. I will go ahead and read that real quickly. This is the second time this stylist has styled me. Hello, Andrea. I hope that you are having a wonderful day today and that this box brings a smile to your face. Well, we'll see, won't we? I'm so sorry that your Fix preview included some shorts that you aren't needing at this time. Thanks so much for letting me know. I'll make sure to mark on your profile that you have white shorts so that we can try and avoid that style for you in the future. Marking stuff just doesn't make any difference. I've been through so many things with them. Don't send me skinny jeans, and they put skinny jeans in my preview. Don't send me cardigans, they put cardigans in my preview. So I'm not holding my breath. I'm excited to see that some of the pieces from your Fix preview did catch your eye. I know you've been on the hunt for some white boyfriend jeans, and this pair by Just USA is a great option. They have the straight silhouette that you were looking for, as well as the white color. What do you think of the fit and feel after trying them on? Feel free to update your Fix inspiration board with styles and trends you are looking forward to this season. XO Michaela. All right. And then I don't look at the prices until after I've tried things on. So this is my bundle. There is a white shirt, white pair of jeans. These are kind of off-white, I think. A pair of colored denim, that's kind of a teal color, and then some blue denim. And then there's also a pair of shoes, and I will go through the shoes first. So there are these very cute navy blue Espadrilles Wedge, and they got the crisscross, and those look really cute. They're kind of I don't think they're real suede, but that's what they feel like. And then they've got the gold buckle. So I'll try those on. I'm excited about that. And then so I have the style pass, which means I don't have to pay a style fee for each box that I get. And that's why I've just been saying, yep, send me another one. All right, I've been asking for color, and it was really kind of hard to tell in the preview. I know it's not color, but it was hard to tell what it looked like because it was white on a white background. This is a very pretty top by RAINN, and it's got some really pretty detail there. Pin tuck, and I don't know what you call that kind of lace, and in the back there's lace, and it's a tie neck and a rounded hem. So even though it's not color, it is very pretty. So we'll try that on. And then these are the jeans. These are an off-white. These are not a white, and I do tend to prefer a white. They're by Just USA, and they're a straight leg, and they look like they're a pretty high waist. So we'll see how that looks. And these are the ones I'm really excited about. This very pretty teal blue denim, and these are by PISTOLA. And again, they look like they have a high rise, which is my preferred rise. And they do look like they're more of a skinny, which is my preferred fit. So really excited about trying these on. And then last is a pair of MAVI Emma Petite Slim Boyfriend jeans. And they've got a little bit of fading, boyfriend cuff, a little lower rise. So I do have one pair of boyfriend jeans, but they're a little different wash, and I really like them. For reference, I am 5'3". I weigh about 114, 115 pounds. I'm wearing a size 26 right now, or a size 2 and extra small. So let's get started with the try on. Oh, you know what? First I will show you my outfit of the day. So today I'm wearing some Liverpool jeans in this blush color, and I think I did get them from Stitch Fix. And then just this top from, I think it's from One State. I know I got it from Nordstrom, and it's got some nice features. It's got some ruching on the side. It's got these, don't know if you can, okay, I'm flashing you, covered buttons, and it's just kind of loose, and that's from the side. And then these are just some animal print shoes by Mia that I got from Stitch Fix also. So let's get started with this try on. So here is outfit number 1. These are the PISTOLA jeans, which I just love this color. I think they fit really well. Let's see, oh my gosh, we've got tags all over the place. So comes a little bit below my belly button. So I would call that kind of a mid to high rise. And I have kind of a flat butt, but I feel like it is helping it out a little bit. The top, I can't decide about the top, so please let me know what you think. It's really pretty. I definitely think it's pretty. It's got these, you know, all this pin tucking and the lace and crochet. So I did a little bit of a front tuck. It's got, I think I'd call that a cap sleeve. So it's pretty. I just don't know if I love it. I like it, and it's Daniel RAINN, so I know it's going to be on the pricier side. So please tell me what you think in the comments. And I'm pretty sure these pants are a keeper. I feel like they're coming across darker on the monitor than they are in real life. So let me get up closer and see if that makes a difference. I don't know, I'll have to see on the footage. So I think we've got one yes and one maybe. All right, let's see what else there is. And if you can hear noises in the background, I'm having some work done in my house, so I apologize. So this is the next outfit, and these are the Just USA jeans. And this is just a top that I got from White House Black Market. I thought it would go well with the white jeans. And then these are the shoes. And I have to walk around in the shoes. So let's talk about the pants first. I do not feel like they're flattering. I mean, look at it. It makes my tummy look huge. And my tummy is not that big. It comes right to the belly button, so it is a higher rise. And I'm not about this color. I know that it is on trend this season. but it's not my jam, and I just don't feel like this is a flattering fit. So I'm going to try to cuff it up. I'm just having a really hard time embracing the non-skinny jean trend, and I don't like that either. Yeah, these pants are a no. Let me pan down so you can see the shoes though. Let's see. So they're cute. I'm trying to decide if I love them. I need to walk around in them a little bit. I think they're cute. They're navy. You know, that's a staple. But I'm just trying really hard to only buy things that I love. Put that up again. So yeah, I'm trying to only get things that I love because I feel like, especially with these boxes, I've gotten too many things that I liked in the moment, and then I wore them a few times and was really kind of about it. Oh my goodness, I need to take these pants off. I'm looking in the monitor and I just feel like they look horrible. All right, let's do the last pair of jeans. These are the MAVI boyfriend jeans, and same top and just a pair of white sneakers that I have. So coming up closer, you'll see that, you'll see my tummy. I'm not trying to flash. It is the relaxed fit of a boyfriend jean. I just compared to the ones that I have that I love, I just feel like it's like baggy, as opposed to, I mean, look at all this extra material here. So I don't think it's a flattering look. So these are a no also, but this is them up close, from the side, and the back. Alrighty, let's do a recap. Alright, let's go over the prices and do a recap. This wasn't a bad fix. Certainly not the Hot Mess Express that some of the previous ones have been. First up, we have the MAVI Emma Boyfriend jean in Indigo, size 2 petite. And these are $92. And they are a no because they weren't that flattering. And I know that boyfriend jeans are supposed to be looser fit, but like I said, I had a pair of boyfriend jeans. If I can remember which video that's in, I'll pop a card up here for you to look at, and you can see the difference. You can compare the difference. The Daniel RAINN Becru lace detail blouse in white in an extra small petite. It's $68, and I like this. My husband liked it. I just don't know if I like it $68 worth. And I don't know that white is the greatest color for Zoom meetings, and all my work meetings take place over Zoom. So this is a maybe. Please tell me what you think in the comments, because I'm kind of undecided on that. I'm just not sure that I love it enough. These, let's see, the shoes are next. These are the DV8 Plume ankle strap espadrille wedge in navy, size 7 is my shoe size, and those are $79, which is not a bad price. The straps were kind of loose, and as a result, the crisscross was not lining up symmetrically. So I'm going to pass on these. They're cute, not a bad price, but I just didn't feel like they were the greatest fit, and if I was walking around in them a lot, I think it might get uncomfortable. Okay, and then the definite winner in the box are these Cobalt Arielle skinny jeans by PISTOLA in size 2 for $88. Those are, I love them. I love the color, the fit was great. You know, they are just gonna have to pry my skinny jeans off my dead cold body because I am not giving them up. And then last we have the Just USA Tarek straight leg jean in white. It's really an off-white or an ecru in size 2, and these are $58. These were actually the cheapest thing in the box, but they were a no-go. So those are a definite no. The stylist pick subtotal, so for all 5 items, is $385. Stitch Fix does give you a 25% discount if you buy all 5, and that would have taken off $96.25, bringing it down to $288.75. I am only going to get the Pistola jeans, so those will be $88. I might keep the top. Please let me know what you think. The other thing that is giving me pause about keeping the top is the fact that I am going to be getting my very first front door fashion box in a couple days, and I am super excited about that. And so keep an eye out for that video. In the meantime, I hope if you like this video that you'll give me a thumbs up, that you will subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my fun videos, and I'll see you next time. Until then, dress like you mean it.